navigation. So see, when the page opens, it is like this. And the first thing I will do, I'll bring my mouse over here and see how the navigation came from this side. And okay, so after that, I move my mouse here, it will move along the mouse. So this is what we are going to create it, and this is quite cool effect which we have got. Okay, so let's get started. And what I have an empty folder, and it has got some one index.html and style.css. Both of them are quite empty. Okay, so let's do the HTML layout first. And let me increase the font size so that it is viewable on all the screens, including the mobile screens. Okay, and then follow along is there. And then let me link the style sheet also. Link style.css. Yeah, it is linked. Then so we have not created any main.js. This time we'll do something different and do the main.js here only in the index. So we can do all those things. So we are going to do that. Okay, so an h1 is there. In it we'll write follow along navigation. Okay, then let's have those anchor tag inside a nav, and the anchor tags a okay, it is giving really bad. Okay, that is not go anywhere. Hash is more than enough. Home. Okay, that is means it should not have done like this. It's more work if it does like this. Okay, then here it is hash again. Here it is hash again. Here it is hash again. And services, reviews, and contact us, and footer is there. Footer hash footer. So everything is named footer. So the class footer and id footer I have created, and p made with okay. Okay, this was created by my intern, so in the company. So I will give her name only because she only did the blog for it. As most of you know, first the blog is been created and then only I do the YouTube video. So this is also done by her, this awesome JavaScript project. So I will write her name, and you can check our company profile, and you can check my intern profile also. She is doing great work. Divya MC. And this heart shape I have to bring from somewhere. So okay, so this heart shape I'll bring. Then let me also open it with VS Code. Open with live server. Obviously it is open with VS Code. So live server. Let me open. Where is the Chrome? I will open in live server. So it will see like this, means it is obviously nowhere close to what we have. Okay, so we have an image also. So what I will do, I will have that image also. Since it's a small project, it is okay to have no image folder and have it here only. So file image is there. So let me close it, and then the style.css is attached. Okay, so I will go to the style.css. Let me sip a bit of coffee. body background is, so URL, so we'll take the background URL here only, background URL, and it is wall.jpg is been done. Then obviously background size is cover, but it is not about that, but then also we should have something good, and it's okay. Font family sans serif is more than okay, and color is RGBA 63 13 13 0.74, and text align is center. Okay, text align is center. Yeah, so let me save it. Let me see whether it is coming. Yeah, it's coming. Okay, so after that, just resetting the things with star comma star before comma star after, and padding is 0, margin is 0, and box sizing is border box, which is by default it is content box, so border box. Then the h1 and nav, let us do that. H1 is padding top is 2 EM, and font size is 3 REM. Save it. Nav, padding top is 10%. Save it. And now it is a bit down, it is looking good, and but obviously not everything is there, so we have to create this navbar and all, so we'll give that for the navbar. So let us do for that. So navbar is contained within the A, so we have to target this A, so let us target that. Nav A is text decoration is none, first thing first, and color is RGBA. This one is looking good, and padding top is 1 rem, and padding is 0.5 m. Text transform is uppercase, and font size is 1.25 rem. Save it. So next we are going to have a highlight class also. So this highlight class anyways we are going to add later on, so but we have this right now. So this highlight class, okay, so let us do that. First make it, and then we are going to make it with JavaScript. Okay, so let us do that. Highlight, transition is all 0.2 sec, and border bottom is 2px solid white smoke, and position is absolute, and top is 0, and background is RGBA 192, 137, 137, 0.835, and left is 0, and Z index is -1. Border radius is 30 px. Display is block, and box shadow is 0 0 10 px. RGBA 0 0 0 0.2. So this we have done. Now let us actually complete the style. So some more style is remaining, so let us just complete it, then we will move to the JavaScript. So this let us add some styles for this footer also. Obviously not footer. Position is absolute, and bottom is 10 px, and width is 100%, and there is a heart is there, so this heart we are going to do dot heart. Color is hash B14240. Save it. Now so it has moved to the bottom. Okay, so it has moved to the bottom. It's looking good. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay. One thing is there. Okay, I'll look into it later on. Okay, so now we look into the JavaScript logic, which is the main thing through which the navigation bar, this thing is all is working through it, because this is not through some hover property means, and obviously it is coming from that JavaScript logic is there, because how will you find the position or something. Okay, so to find the position or position for it, we need to have the JavaScript. Okay, so let us go. And as I was telling earlier that I'm creating this JavaScript here on external file. So JavaScript, as you all know, that we create at the end, so main.js. So instead of that, JavaScript we should always create at the end. So the reason is that JavaScript we should create at the end, because the whole page should load first, then only the JavaScript is there. See, a user is not going to click until the whole page is loaded. But if you put JavaScript at the start, what happens that first the JavaScript needed to be completed, then only the page will load, so it slows down the pages. So that's the reason we put JavaScript at the end. Okay, always. Script tag I will create here, and then const triggers equal to document dot query selector all. So I am selecting all of the a tags. Okay, then const high So this is the same thing which we have done earlier. Const highlight equal to document dot create element. Create element is here. Create element span. You will create a span element. Then after that, in the highlight, so highlight is as a span. So highlight dot class list dot add highlight. So we're adding a class of highlight also. So instead of this it's okay. So we could have taken some other name here, so it is okay. Okay, instead of this I have seen people taking the name of span only. Okay, so anyways it is okay. So document dot body dot append child, which append child is of course the highlight. So this highlight I am appending it. Okay, now the thing is that we are going to create a function. Okay, so the function will trigger. So let us create when it will trigger. So it will trigger when the mouse will enter to any of the anchor tag. It will create trigger at that time. Okay, so triggers, which we have already have, dot for each. We can do the for each in the anchor tag, and a dot, so anything we can add. So a dot add event listener, we're adding it, and it will trigger when the mouse will enter the tag. Of course mouse will enter, comma highlight link. Highlight link, highlight link is of course a function. It is a function, so I will make it function highlight link. Okay, const link chords equal to this dot get bounding client rect, bounding client rect. So this is actually something, get bounding client rect is not some function which we are going to create. This is a function is which is provided to us in the browser. So I will tell a bit more about it. So if I search for it, see what it is coming. So element dot and w3 school is also coming. This is also coming, and method returns DOM direct object providing information about the size of the element and in its position relative to the viewport. This is very important thing. So this function is very powerful. This returns the size of the means the element position in according to the viewport. See, suppose I have put that and I put my mouse over here, so it will give me the exact position, exact coordinates it will give me. Okay, so those coordinates are very important. So let's go ahead and implement it. So after this we got it in the link chords, and after that const chords equal to with. So we get a chords object. We are sending it in, not to get a chord object, we are sending it in the chord objects. Link chords dot width we'll get, comma height link chords dot height, and top is link chords dot top, just not dot top, plus window dot scroll x. So scroll x is a function which also gives the function of it, which also gives the position of it. Okay, so that is there. And after this, scroll spelling is right. So the scroll x and y, we are adding the whole length of it. So top we are getting, and then the last thing is left link chords dot left plus window dot scroll x. I'll do. Then after that, we are going to we got all these things, the coordinate and all those, wherever the, so whenever we click over it, we'll get all these things. Okay, whenever we move our mouse over it, we'll get this all of these things. So even let us check it, clg cards. Before moving forward, we'll check inspect console. So it is not coming here, but the moment I move it here, it will come, because it will enter, mouse enter will run only when we do. So height, left, and everything is coming. This is different, this is different, and this is different. So it is working fine. So we are getting the object. Okay, so now we will look forward and work forward, and let us use those things to highlight dot style dot width equal to chords dot with px, like this. Height is height highlight dot style dot transform equal to translate dollar chords dot left to land here px, comma, same thing, chords dot top px. So transform translate and x and transform translate x and y, we are giving top and this thing, right? So this we are giving, save it. Now let's go here, and obviously it is not working. Okay, so we have an issue. Now let us fix the issue. Highlight is this one. Obviously chords is right, highlight and width and height are right. So width and height, anyways we were getting that to width and height because I've seen that in the console. So that was obviously, that was right. But why this style is like this? Highlight is this. So obviously we have to add it somewhere, I think. translate. Hi. Okay, got it. Sometimes you have to open the browser. The spell was there wrong. Then also it is not coming. Line number 35, it is still giving me error. 35. Okay, got it. See the spell. Yeah, it is working fine. And see, it is working fine. Just a spell mistake was there, so it is working fine and looking quite nice. So with this we complete this. Okay, this something is there and you can fix it yourself. See this what is, I forgot actually, some small stylish style fixes there. It is background size cover and I think yeah, I'm ground, I think background read is the word. No, but then it is not extending everything. Okay, then it is not extending everything. Okay, yeah, we can do that. Height is 100 vertical height. I think this will work. Yeah, height is 100 vertical height. And it is working fine. Height is so just fixed it like this. Okay, so this completes our small but efficient and easy to use for long navigation. Not much logic is there. JavaScript is also quite easy. So with this today's live stream, I will stop today's live stream. And so obviously I'm doing this live stream now. It is more than 42 days I'm doing this live stream daily, sometimes more than one time a day. Means on a Saturdays I do for more time. So please do subscribe to my channel to help me grow further. So after this JavaScript project, there will be some React projects are there. So I am taking help from my intern also. She's preparing a lot of projects. And as we are a we are a company, so it's not that I only prepare the projects, she also prepare the projects and all those things are there. Okay, so please do subscribe to my channel to help us create more projects like this. And looking to help you all to reach great heights. I am a full-time JavaScript trainer and I have some courses going on, and one of the courses is a full course from the starting web development bootcamp, which I'm starting from the coming Monday. And coming Monday is what date? Coming Monday is 25th. I am starting that. And actually I've got a lot of requests from people, from working professional, to start a course in the late at around 10 p.m. Because what happens nowadays, everybody is working from home and everybody is everybody is working way too much. Means sometimes people have to extend their work hours and all. So people are asking me, and some of them are not even from the IT background, so they don't have a leave on a Saturdays. So they're asking me to start a program late in the night, so that they're free with the dinner and all those things, they're free. So 10 p.m. I'm starting 1.5 month web dev boot camp, and special Diwali offer is going on. It's for only 9999. 10,000, 1 rupee less than 10,000, of course. And it is got everything. And if you do it correctly, I will give you job guarantee also. If you do all the assignments and everything correctly, so it is got HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, what is required. So you're a tester, you're a support guy, you're a housewife, you are a BCom graduate, you're a mechanical engineer, anything, you're anybody, it doesn't matter. You can do that course, because I'm teaching from the starting HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I will help you to get a job. So that is there. And you can check out the link will be there in the description for that. And as I've told, the batch is starting from 25th. If you want to know more about that, you can chat me on LinkedIn, because there is a place which I am the most means obviously I am most active there, but you can contact me anyway. Okay, even a comment of this YouTube, you can comment, and I generally check the comment. Okay, thank you.